pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hi Gems! Welcome back to another video. Now guys, I get a little serious in this video because if you guys know, I used to film in my room and now I film in the back room, and we have a new aide here with my daughter, and I'm kind of still a little weird. Yeah, go figure. I've been on YouTube a year and a half and I was kind of a little quiet, a little serious, so I hope you don't mind all that. But she's gone now. So I'm like, hey guys! I went ahead and did another look with the 24M main event palette, the MMMMitchel times Morphe collaboration, and I do hope that you like it. I like switching things up sometimes as I go along, and you guys know me. You know, I tell you what I'm doing and I show you why, and I do hope that you get some inspiration from the looks that I do. And if you're new, hey! I'm very excited that you're here, so do me a favor, subscribe. Comment down below, tell me your favorite color, how your day is going, whatever you would like, and sit back, relax, and watch this really serious video. See you in a minute. Here we are again, guys, using the 24M palette. So I just discovered that these on the bottom were liners because y'all told me they were. Had no clue. I'm going in with Sacred this time. It's a matte. Let's see. Ooh, it's pretty. I want to see if I can get it to where you guys see exactly what I'm doing here. There we are. Oh, I'm loving this. What a pretty color. This is going to be the transition shade. I love really working this color in my crease because that is where I want it the darkest. Then we can do a cut crease and it'll look gorgeous. So I really want to make sure that this fine line in my crease is filled with pigment. Love the feel of the brushes. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I love. Okay, so there's a color in here called Avalon, and there's also one called Pyramid. And this one here is Avalon. This one here is Pyramid. And I'm not sure which one I want to put on the outer part of my lid. So we're just gonna choose. All right, let's get some setting spray. Using a Sigma E25. Let's try Pyramid first. Yes. Oh, it's super pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use all the colors in this palette. Yes, 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 yes. And guess what I'm going to put on the inner corner? Just take a guess. Oh, let me work this in. Worked that color in, and now I want to take the other side of my Sigma brush because I only needed to use the one side of it with this color, and I want that down here. Oh my goodness. Like, hello. Ooh, that's gorgeous. I love it. I'm still trying to work in as many colors as I can because why not? My mirror is like behind me, so. Allergies. I always get allergies when I put on makeup. All right, so we've got those two colors right there. we're going to take a blending brush. There's nothing on it. And just kind of work this in so those colors blend. So instead of me using one or the other, I use them both. Why not? And oh, I like, but this time I don't think I'm gonna really have a dark eye. And you know me and my dark eyes. Either really dark or really bright, or I don't know. Okay, so fun part. Now, this doesn't have anything on it? No. Okay, so guess what? Yeah, we need to do a cut crease for sure. I'm gonna put some of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer on my hand. Then I'm gonna take my Eco Tools brush, one of my favorite brushes in the entire world. Bye, thank you.
I need to see the linen, so she's gonna need some linen on the bed, okay?
Oh yes, I have some in the dryer.
Alright.
Thank you. Kayla's aid.
I'm not ignoring you. Bye, comb now. Bye, comb now.
Kona. Jeez. Yep. Putting makeup on with chaos all around you. Alright, now I need to take my makeup wipe and wipe this off a little bit. Alright. Because there was getting color on it. I don't want that. That's it. There we go. Try not to tilt my head up too much here. And make that nice fine line like I did over here. And then take a good guess on what we're gonna put there. Come on, I know you can do it. Glitter. All right. Now with this, because I'm gonna use glitter, I'm not going to set it with setting powder. We're gonna see how it does. So let me get my new MMMMitchel brush here. We're gonna go into TBA, which is that glitter, this one. I wonder how long it's gonna take me to get this glitter to apply. I'm just tapping it in and pressing it on. And I'm gonna keep doing that until it builds up the way that I want it. Okay, so I built up that glitter, and that brush you can actually blend the glitter with nice and gently, which I think is pretty darn cool. Okay, so I decided to go in with Supersonics. I haven't tried it yet, to add it to this part of my eye here. Because you know me and the darkness. I love the darkness. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. And I'm going to gently do it because I've already laid down my glitter. Okay, woohoo! I am loving this palette. Now it's so hard every single day. I'm like, oh, which palette am I going to use? Oh, yes. Okay, so I want to go back in. Well, I want to build this up a little bit more because I really want my eyes to pop. And I'm probably going to use a smaller brush to do it. We're going to need the stiffy for later. Okay. Actually, this one should work. No, it's not small enough. Here we go. Okay. So, Supersonic. Ooh, it's getting like mushy. Right here. And in the crease. Build that up. And then we're going to go back in with my blending brush and just kind of go up here. Go over that without really touching the glitter. So we don't get the glitter everywhere. Ooh. Yes, girl, yes. Okay, so for the bottom part of my eye, well, this needs to be blended a little bit more, actually. So we can get in there and blend that. I don't know, it's different. What do you think? I did blend these edges in right here, but I think I'm going to take wellies on this brush, and I'm gonna put a little of that, kind of where that first color was, Sacred, because I'm really feeling the dark vibe now. So I'm just kind of going over it, darkening it up a little bit. I put some black liner. I used the Tardiest, I think, whatever it's called. I don't know, something like that. Okay, and now we're gonna focus on the under eye. Oof. Yes, okay. So for the under eye, we need brushes like this. Make sure there's no glitter or anything on it. Wipe it off on your makeup wipe. I hope my vaping doesn't bother you. Okay, so we are going to start with the wellies, that brown. Ooh, in the eye. Oh, yes. I love. This is going to look fantastic when it's done. Like, we still have to pay attention to detail, but I'm loving it. Okay, so let's let this part dry. Now what I want to do to avoid the glitter going down any further is I'm going to put on my liquid liner and a coat of mascara so I don't have glitter falling. That when you use glitter, the best liquid liner to go in with is the Hank & Henry because of the flexible tip. So, and I always start down here when I've got glitter. Do the other eye. Really, we're just defining this because the glitter is going to be a little tricky to go over, but it won't be bad. I really want you to see what I'm doing. Just follow the lash line. You're going to need to coat it a few times because this is really bright. And small strokes. But it makes such a huge difference, liner. I just don't think I could do without it. Some people do eyeshadow looks without it and they look fine. Me? Nope, probably because my eyes are hooded. Okay, so now I've got that one done. Let's do this one. You're gonna have to hold it different ways. Do a couple coats, like I said. And this liner really gives the flexibility. Plus the glitter doesn't really stick to it at all. And with other ones, the ones that are like marker-like, the glitter's gonna stick to it. Okay, so let's let that dry. And now we can go back to the under eye and smoke it out a bit. I think I want to use a different brush. Oh, I'm going to need this one. Put that one down there. So many choices. Let's go with the Luxie one. Let's see how this one does. It's a little more fluffier than I'd like, but let's try it and see. It's doing a good job. I hate it when I make that face, but I have to. I'm sorry guys, I'm quiet today because we had the aide here and everything else, and I still don't know her that well, so I'm kind of like, there we go. Iffy. I know you're all waiting for it. I put it in that silver And I want to stamp the silver here, and let's hope it works the way I want it to. Whew. Yep. All right. Gotta do the setting spray so it doesn't crumble all over the place and you don't get fallout any further. I already did my under eye concealer, so I'm being extra careful, but I used this palette already, so I kind of knew what to expect. There we go. Cute, right? Okay, so now we want to do a brow bone highlight. And we're going to go in with Free Spirit. Really, really pretty. Oh, I love it. Very different look. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to do a tiny, do I want to do like a little bit of black glitter there? Or should I keep it like this? Decisions. Okay, let me put on some mascara and I'll be back. All right, so I went actually and did the nude lip crayon. I don't know what it doesn't. I don't think it has a color on it, but it came with the M24, the MMMMitchel. All right, so I want to just take a little bit of champagne pop and put it right here because I'm really feeling it with this look. Like really feeling it with this look. And I'm using a smaller brush than normal because I do not want a large amount. It's easy to over highlight. Ooh. Oh yeah, that gets the it gets the job done. Tiny bit here. Tiny bit there. God, I can't believe how quiet I was in this video. I didn't want to be, but like I said, there's a new aid here, so I'm just kind of like, All right, so yay! Again, the MMMMitchel palette. I am loving it. All right. What do you guys think? Ooh, let me put this down. Overall, I'm really enjoying this palette. I definitely think I can come up with a lot of different looks. I wanted to try something a little bit different. So I do want your thoughts. Give them to me down below in the comments. And I would love it if you haven't joined the family yet to definitely do that. I did announce the mystery palette collab winners on my community tab. So if you have not seen that, go on over because there is 10 of you. And I left my email address so you can email me your home address and I can get your prize out to you. I am so very excited about that. Congratulations, guys. And there's going to be something else coming really soon. That's exciting as well. So stay tuned. I love you so very much. I will see you in my next video.